My name is Claire Gorrara. I'm a Professor of French at Cardiff University and Dean of Research and Innovation for the College of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences. I've been a member for a number of years now of the LSW, and I found it a wonderful way to connect up with other academics and practitioners across Wales to make a difference to Welsh society. I began my work as a French studies scholar working on French women's writing in the Second World War. I now work on multilingualism in Wales, and the connecting thread is trying to discover and highlight lost or marginalised voices, and in my case now, the voices of those who wish to learn a language in a very unfavourable environment here in Wales. I really value working as a passionate language activist for the importance of learning international languages in the UK and in Wales. And I really see that as an important part of my role to proselytise for the value of being a multilingual person in the 21st century. I think as women academics, we've got to choose to challenge some of the research cultures that we live in. The ongoing model of the alpha academic, the single point scholar, we have to challenge that in favour of a more inclusive, positive, honest and healthy research culture. I think as women, we're well placed to do that.